Not many investors get to meet the management of their invested companies, but they often seek out management interviews and closely follow their every single word. Now, what if I told you that this approach could be detrimental to your portfolio? Let me explain. While meeting and knowing the management can provide valuable insights, it's important to recognize that access to information is now readily available to all investors. Many tend to obsessively follow management interactions. This could be driven by investor scuttlebutt and also by just being a good research analyst and going about doing your job as an investor, you know, figuring out Porter's five forces. Well, all this is good, but it can also be a serious pitfall if taken too seriously. Remember, the management may have more knowledge and experience about the business than you and I do, but they're also just human beings. Even the most skilled managers struggle to predict long-term outcomes accurately. Do you think the CEO of Tata Steel would know where the prices of steel would be trading in 2 years from now on the London Commodity Exchange? Okay, let's come back to the subject. Let's reflect on your own experiences. Perhaps you attended the company's AGM, shook hands with the CEO or one of the vice presidents, or you're just a small investor who don't have the luxury of attending AGMs in person, so you spent several hours listening to their earnings call. So, you have invested your time, you have paid attention, and you now know what the management thinks and you can visualize things from their perspective. What this means is that subconsciously, a part of your mind is programmed to see things from their perspective. Now, you should ask yourself whether you can remain unbiased and uninfluenced all this while and still take a rational decision. If yes, then you're good. If no, then you're doing this too much and letting too much noise into your investment process. Now, for those of you who think, I got this and I'm not that person, you should go check out Munger's lecture on human misjudgment. In case you've already done that, then there's nothing wrong in revisiting it a couple of times every year. Take a moment to reflect on this, and we'll be back with another video soon. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up.